Our journey begins with the careful selection of the finest raw materials, where rustic jute sacks reveal the emerald-colored green coffee beans, ready for their transformation. Behold the vibrant harvest of sun-ripened coffee cherries, their crimson skin glowing under the workshop spotlights, representing the peak of nature's perfection and natural sweetness. Every single bean is meticulously inspected on flat surfaces, ensuring that only the most uniform and healthy fruits move forward in our artisanal coffee production journey. Skilled hands move with rhythmic grace, filtering through the layers to discard any minor imperfections, guaranteeing that only the purest essence remains for the final roast. The rhythmic sound of beans falling onto metal signals the start of the process, as the selected harvest is prepared for its first stage of purification. In this serene environment, the tradition of coffee making meets modern standards, where every bag of beans is treated with the utmost respect for its origin. The raw potential of these beans is palpable as they rest in high-grade steel containers, waiting to undergo a transformation that will unlock their hidden flavors. With the selection complete, we move to the essential phase of cleaning, where we ensure every particle is removed to maintain the integrity of the coffee. The cleaning process begins with mechanical precision, as the vibrating trays separate tiny impurities and dust from the beans through a series of specialized filtration gaps. Watch as gravity and motion work together to strip away any unwanted materials, leaving behind only the solid, high-quality beans ready for the next step. Pure water and high-pressure bubbles collide in our ultrasonic cleaning tanks, surrounding each bean with a deep cleansing action that removes even the most stubborn surface residues. This multi-stage cleaning technology ensures a level of hygiene that is unmatched, stripping away impurities while preserving the delicate structure of the coffee's cellular core. The gentle flow of water carries away the thin silver skin and organic remnants, ensuring that the beans are perfectly polished and free from any external contaminants. Every drop of water used is part of a sophisticated filtration system, reflecting our commitment to environmental responsibility and the absolute purity of the final product. The clean beans emerge on a mesh conveyor, glistening like polished stones as they are transported to the drying area to prepare for the roasting stage. Gentle airflow begins the drying process, removing surface moisture and ensuring the beans are in perfect condition before they meet the intense heat of the roaster. Our facility is designed for maximum efficiency and cleanliness, creating a bridge between the raw bounty of nature and the sophisticated science of premium coffee production. Consistency is key to excellence, and our staff carefully monitors the beans after washing to ensure they have achieved the perfect level of cleanliness and preparation. We now transition to the heart of our workshop, where the true magic of flavor development begins through the ancient yet refined art of roasting. The transformation begins as the green beans are introduced to the roasting drum, where heat and motion will collaborate to unlock their complex aromatic profiles. Temperature control is a precise science, with our master roasters monitoring the heat curves to ensure the beans develop their flavors without any bitterness or burn. Inside the spinning drum, the beans are in constant motion, ensuring an even distribution of heat that is vital for a consistent and high-quality roast profile. The first chemical changes occur as the beans lose moisture and turn a golden yellow hue, marking the beginning of the Maillard reaction and flavor development. Every second counts in the roasting chamber, requiring quite focused attention of our experts who adjust the flame and airflow to perfection for every batch. As the temperature climbs, the beans take on a cinnamon color, and the air fills with the sweet, nostalgic scent of toasted grain and early caramelization. Delicate wisps of aromatic smoke indicate the deep transformation occurring within, as the essential oils of the coffee begin to migrate toward the surface. The first crack echoes through the workshop, a literal popping sound that signals the beans are expanding, releasing the intense pressure built up inside. We inspect the beans at every critical juncture, looking for the perfect expansion and the exact shade of brown that defines our signature premium roast. The controlled power of the fire is the catalyst for change, providing the energy needed to turn raw seeds into the flavorful beans we all love. As we reach the peak of the roast, the beans take on a deep, chocolate-like brown color, with their natural oils giving them a beautiful, glossy finish. Timing is everything. A few seconds too long or too short could alter the entire flavor profile, so we wait for the absolute moment of perfection. The door opens and a cascade of molten hot coffee beans floods the cooling tray, releasing an intoxicating aroma that fills every corner of our craft workshop. Steam rises in thick clouds as the beans meet the cooler air, a dramatic visual display of the intense energy stored within these freshly roasted treasures. This is the climax of the roasting art, where months of growth and days of preparation result in the perfect, dark mahogany beans of our dreams. Rapid cooling is essential to stop the roasting process immediately, and our mechanical arms ensure that every bean is exposed to the cooling air currents. The beans are spread in a thin layer across the cooling bed, allowing the heat to dissipate quickly and locking in the complex flavors we developed. Powerful suction fans beneath the tray pull cool air through the beans, a vital step that ensures the internal temperature drops to room level within minutes. Our craftsmen use their experience to feel the beans, ensuring they have reached the ideal state before moving to the quality control and resting phase. A representative sample is taken from every batch, serving as a benchmark for quality and ensuring that our high standards are met with every roast. Under clinical lighting, we examine the color uniformity of the beans, making sure there is a perfect match with our rigorous quality and roast specifications. Once cooled and approved, the beans are transferred to specialized storage containers, where they will begin the important process of degassing and flavor stabilization. In this quiet corner of the facility, the beans breathe and rest, allowing carbon dioxide to escape while the flavor oils settle deep into the structure. Allowing the beans to breathe is a secret to premium coffee. This resting period ensures a smooth, balanced cup without any harsh or gassy notes. Every batch is documented and tracked by hand, maintaining a complete history of the bean from the farm to the final container for our customers. Patience is our final ingredient, as we wait for the beans to reach their peak potential before they are finally moved to the grinding station. After the resting period, the beans are ready for their final transformation into fine powder, releasing a new wave of intense and concentrated coffee aroma. The beans are fed into our advanced micro-grinding system, a machine designed for extreme precision and minimal heat generation to preserve the delicate coffee oils. Precision engineering meets passion as the grinder begins its work, turning solid beans into a uniform powder that will eventually become a perfect cup. The high-speed blades work with surgical accuracy, ensuring that every particle is the exact same size, which is critical for an even and perfect extraction. A waterfall of dark, aromatic powder emerges from the chute, displaying a consistency that is as smooth as silk and as rich as dark earth. This is our micro-grind standard, where the particles are so fine and consistent that they provide a maximum surface area for the most intense flavor. The powder is light and airy, perfectly processed to avoid any clumping, ensuring that the water can flow evenly through every grain during the brewing. Tactile inspection is the final check, as our experts ensure the grind feels exactly as it should, matching the specific needs of high-end coffee lovers. Weight is measured to the milligram, ensuring that every package contains the exact amount of coffee for a perfect balance of flavor and consistent value. Our commitment to precision means no detail is too small, from the heat of the roast to the weight of the powder in every single batch. The fresh grind is prepared for packaging, its surface leveled and ready, holding within it the concentrated soul of the coffee beans we meticulously roasted. In this modern sanctuary of taste, the air is thick with the scent of fresh grounds, a testament to the hard work and dedication of our team. With the grinding complete, we move to the final stage where we wrap this excellence in a package that reflects the luxury of the product inside. Freshness is our priority, so we move quickly and carefully to ensure the aroma is sealed in, ready for the final artistic touches of our brand. The transition to packaging is where coffee meets art, as we prepare to present our craft in a way that honors its premium and artisanal heritage. Our packaging is designed to be as premium as the coffee itself, with matte black finishes and elegant gold accents that speak of pure luxury. Each tin is lined with a high-barrier aluminum bag, a dual layer of protection that keeps oxygen out and seals the intense coffee aroma inside. The powder is filled with care, ensuring the perfect volume for each tin while maintaining the highest levels of hygiene and precision in our facility. Vacuum sealing removes every trace of air, a critical step that preserves the freshness and flavor profile for months, ensuring a perfect experience upon opening. A secure heat seal completes the inner packaging, creating an airtight environment that locks in the essence of the beans and the expertise of our roaster. Our workers handle every package with white-gloved care, reflecting the premium nature of the product and our respect for the customer's high-end experience. The lid is closed with a firm press, signifying the completion of the core packaging and the start of the artistic and decorative final touches. Branding is applied by hand, with embossed gold stickers that catch the light and serve as a seal of quality for our discerning global clientele. A silk ribbon adds a touch of classic elegance, turning a simple container of coffee into a sophisticated gift and a true work of industrial art. The ancient tradition of wax sealing is used to finalize our packaging, adding adding a layer of authenticity and old-world charm to our modern coffee craft. The brass seal leaves a permanent mark of excellence, a symbol that this batch has been personally approved and sealed by our master coffee artisans. Every detail matters, from the color of the wax to the texture of the ribbon, creating a sensory experience that begins before the coffee is brewed. Our gift sets are a masterclass in luxury, featuring deep velvet linings that cradle the product and provide a dramatic and elegant reveal for the recipient. Included with our premium sets is a custom-made brass spoon, a functional and beautiful accessory designed to measure the perfect amount for every single cup. A personal touch makes all the difference, as we include a signed card detailing the roast date and the unique characteristics of the coffee inside. The final closure of the box is a moment of pride, as we prepare to send our labor of love out into the world to be enjoyed. A collection of masterpieces ready for delivery, each box representing hours of careful work and a commitment to the highest standards of coffee production. Even the shipping process is handled with care, ensuring that the beautiful packaging arrives in pristine condition at its final destination anywhere in the world. From our local workshop to the global stage, we take pride in sharing our passion for artisanal coffee with connoisseurs across the entire world. The journey from raw bean to luxury product is almost complete, as the boxes move through the facility with the grace of high-end fashion goods. As the day ends, we reflect on the craft and tradition that goes into every batch, a process that is both timeless and deeply modern. Our name is a promise of quality, a legacy built on the foundations of hard work, artistic vision, and a deep love for the coffee bean.
That is absolutely
We invite
wonderful.
you into our world of
I
taste,
agree
a
completely.
space designed for the
ambiance
ultimate
here
appreciation
is
of coffee
unmatched.
in its most refined and elegant form. The product stands ready, a centerpiece of luxury that promises an unparalleled sensory experience for those who truly appreciate the finer things in life. Opening the tin releases a burst of aroma so intense and complex that it fills the room, a reward for the wait and a prelude to flavor. The brewing process is a ritual of patience, as hot water meets the fine grounds, beginning the final extraction of flavor and the soul of the coffee. Watch as the coffee blooms, releasing its full potential in a display of golden crema and rich textures that signify a perfectly roasted and ground product. Every drop is a concentration of our hard work and passion, a liquid masterpiece that carries the essence of the land and the hand of the maker. The final stir brings everything together, a balance of aroma, body, and acidity that defines the true meaning of premium artisanal coffee experience. Experience the pinnacle of coffee craft, where every step of our manual process leads to this single, perfect moment of pure, high-end indulgence.